Very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is Sow the Seeds, a timeless path beyond outcome. Ladies and gentlemen, in a world increasingly defined by outcomes, recognition, and rapid returns, the quiet essence of meaningful action often recedes into the background. Yet, a universal truth endures, ageless, borderless, and unshaken by time. Do not judge each day by the harvest you reap, but by the seeds you sow. This message, both humble and profound, speaks to every generation and geography. It calls for a shift from chasing results to embracing contribution, from measuring gain to honoring intent. Nature, the oldest and most honest teacher, lives this truth in silence. A single acorn holds within it the promise of forests. A stream shapes stone not through strength but through steady presence. The morning sun seeks no applause, yet gives life to all it touches. The act of sowing, quite unassuming, often unseen, holds within it the power to transform worlds. Ancient wisdom has long revered this principle. In the sanctified pages of the Bhagavad Gita, a beacon of eternal guidance, it is declared, your right is to action alone, never to its fruits. This divine teaching offers more than spiritual counsel. It offers psychological clarity. It liberates from the anxiety of expectation and restores sacredness to sincere effort. Even in modern understanding, this truth holds. Neuroscience reveals that consistent, purposeful action reshapes the mind. In ecological systems, unseen work beneath the surface sustains entire life cycles. In human behavior, change arises not through sudden outcomes, but through quiet, repeated choices. Progress is not always visible, but the seed knows its time. Across life, whether in building, teaching, healing, or offering a quiet act of kindness, what endures is not applause but authenticity. Some seeds bloom in distant seasons, some in unseen places, yet none are ever wasted when sown with clarity of heart. What's the way forward? This seed-centered approach urges a deeper realignment. In education, let curiosity surpass competition. In work, let integrity precede incentives. In daily life, let presence become more valued than performance. Let every day be seen not as a ledger of achievements, but as a field of possibilities where thoughts, intentions, and actions sow the future. Such a path nurtures patience in an age of urgency, stillness in an era of distraction, and quiet strength in times of uncertainty. It restores reverence for dharma, the timeless natural order, reminding that every noble act is a seed entrusted to time, not to outcomes. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, there may be days when no harvest appears, no result, no reward, no recognition. Yet, if a single worthy seed was planted with sincerity, wisdom, or compassion, that day was not lost but sanctified. As the Bhagavad Gita reminds, action without attachment is the key to lasting peace. In that stillness, life transcends the pressure to perform and become a silent, sacred offering. Let that become the quiet measure of a day truly well lived. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.